Hi everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles. We're here at the Walmart toy store with a whole box full of LOL surprises. How awesome is this? Hey, look who's here. It's Skye on a special shopping trip.
Oh boy, I finally found some new LOL dolls. I've been looking for them everywhere. Can I buy all of them? Please, Ellie Sparkles? Pretty please? With a cherry on top?
Sorry, Skye, but your shopping cart isn't that big to fit all of these toys. You can take 3 LOL dolls home with you.
Okay, Then I'll take 1 LOL doll for Chase. My friend Marshall really wants one too. I'll give the last LOL doll to my Snow Pop friend, but I can't remember her name. Oh no, what's her name?
Can you help Skye remember her Snow Pop friend's name? If you know, type her name in the comments.
This shopping cart is so heavy. But good thing I'm such a healthy pup.
Skye pushed her cart to the cash register. That means it's time for Skye to pay for her LOL dolls.
Hi Ellie, can you tell me how much money I have to pay for all these LOL dolls?
Sure thing, Skye. The way the register works is we take each toy and scan it with this special red tool. We need to scan the black and white barcodes. That's 1 LOL doll scanned. Two LOL dolls scanned. And 3 LOL dolls scanned. For the 3 LOL dolls, you need to pay $3, Skye. Do you have a $3 gold coin? Alright then. Thank you for shopping at the toy store. Come again soon.
Oh boy! Chase, Marshall, and the Snow Pup are going to be so surprised. I still can't remember the Snow Pup's name.
Skye was so nice to buy all these LOL dolls. So let's open them up. Here's the first LOL surprise doll. These are the new second wave dolls. So there are all new characters inside. Here's our first surprise. Look at our secret clue. It's a picture of a nice face and a bad face with a magnet in the middle. I wonder what that means. If you know, give me a big thumbs up. Let's unwrap some more to find our next surprise. Look at all the things the LOL doll can do. She can change color, spit, tinkle, and cry. That's just like a real baby. The next layer should have some of our doll's accessories. Look at this bottle. It's so cool. Black and red and pink. I can't wait to see what she will wear with this bottle to match it. That should be in the next layer. The first thing she'll wear is boots. But which ones? Wow, red ones with black laces. That matches her bottle. Do you think all of her clothes are red and black? Let's keep going to see. Yes, we were right! I think I even know who this outfit belongs to. But we need to open more to see if we're right. What will she wear on her head? red horns. Do you know who this is yet? We only have one more bag to open. And it's her. Did you guess Spice? If you did, you got it right. Spice is a really cute LOL doll. But she's always one of the naughtiest dolls too. That's why she wears those mean horns on her head. But the best part is, her bottle matches her outfit so good. Let's give her a sip. Wow, look! She can spit! She's a spitter! Watch where you're spitting, Spice! And be nice to the other LOL dolls! Okay, it's time to open another doll now! Let's start unwrapping! The first surprise is the clue! This clue is a picture of a microphone, plus a check mark. That must be mic check! Do you think that means someone is going to be singing? Let's find out by opening accessories. I love looking at everything the dolls can do. But I like seeing their clothes even more. She has a nice pink bottle. It looks so girly. I bet her shoes are girly too. Let's keep unwrapping to see if we can find those shoes. Oh my goodness! These shoes are so tall and they're different colors. One is pink and one is green. Only a really silly doll would wear different colored shoes. They're so special. But what will she wear them with? A nice dress maybe. Whoa, this dress is so fluffy and fun! I wish I had one just like it. Now I'm even more excited to see who we got. Could she wear a hat with this dress? Let's open this bag and see. It's a white bow. That will go perfectly with her dress and boots. But what does she look like? Hey, look who it is! It's Prankster! Prankster loves to dance and sing, but her favorite thing to do is play pranks on everyone. Oh, her hair is two colors too. I think pink and mint green are her two favorite colors. But the best part is what happens when we put her in water. That's right, she's a color changer. Color changers are my favorite LOL dolls. Let's see what happens when we give her some water to drink. Uh-oh, she's a spitter just like Spice. I just hope she didn't try to play a prank on us. We better watch out. Our first two dolls are super awesome. But we still have one more friend to open. Let's start unwrapping. Remember the first thing we always see when we open LOL dolls? That's right, the clue. The clue this time is old plus school. That must mean old school. So maybe this doll likes old stuff. Opening these LOL dolls are so fun because there's so many layers. We need to keep finding other clues. So I wonder what her bottle will look like. And her bottle is gold, white, and red. I've never seen a gold bottle before. That is so special. I can't wait to find the next surprise. Do you think her clothes will be gold too? Her shoes are white. White shoes with black laces. I love these shoes so much. White and black goes good with everything. The next surprise is probably her outfit. Will it be a dress or something else? Whoa, it's a two-piece dress. This skirt is cheetah print. And her denim shirt is so cute to match it. Now I'm super excited to see her hat. Only one more layer and we get to meet our last LOL doll of the day. But first, her hat. Or maybe something else to put on her head, like a headband. This isn't a headband. It's a scarf. Like a cowboy bandana. Let's see how it fits on her. I bet it will be so cute. Oh my! Look how adorable she is! Her pink hair is the best ever. I can't believe how cute her pigtails are. But I really want to see how she looks in her outfit. Look, there's a little cherry on her arm. That's because her name is Cherry. She looks amazing in her cheetah print. And she tinkles. Go in the potty, Cherry. You're so silly. Today was just so fun. We got to go on a fun shopping trip and open 3 brand new LOL surprise dolls. If you had fun, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome LOL surprise videos. Now, are you ready for another fun Ellie Sparkles adventure? Let's go!